CEO Masayoshi Son regrets not holding this stock. Son, जो कि one of the most successful tech investors में से है, जिनकी $54 million investment in Alibaba in 2000 became a mind-blowing $72 billion. जब ऐसा इन्वेस्टर बोले कि he regrets selling a stake in your company, फिर कंपनी में कुछ तो बात होगी ना. I am talking about the red hot market favorite stock, the undisputed leader of the AI rally, Nvidia. SoftBank chief recently expressed his regret about selling a 4.9% stake in Nvidia in 2019. At the time, it felt like a good decision to Son. When SoftBank sold its stake, it booked a nice $3.3 billion profit on a $700 million investment. But Nvidia के शेयर प्राइस में एक तूफान आएगा, ये हिंट तब तक मार्केट को मिला नहीं था. आज के दिन में assuming SoftBank hadn't sold its stake, it would have been worth a whopping $160 billion. Whew. SoftBank missed out on profits of over $150 billion by selling its stake in 2019. There has been a blistering rally in Nvidia's share in the last 2 to 3 years. ऐसा लगता है जैसे Nvidia के स्टॉक चार्ट को ना सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन पता है, up. In the last 1 year, Nvidia gave investors 205% के returns. 3 years में it gave 551% returns, and in the last 5 years, it has delivered over 3,000% returns. I mean, stock price देख के तो naturally anyone would think that this is a bubble. The actual business figures are just as magical. For the first quarter of this year, Nvidia's revenue grew by an eye-popping 262% YOY. Net profit growth सुनोगे ना तो वीडियो सच्ची में तो वीडियो बंद करके शायद अभी के अभी स्टॉक लेने चले जाओगे. YOY बेसिस पे नेट प्रॉफिट 628% से बढ़ा है and EPS has jumped 629%. Nvidia का latest quarter में gross margin was 78%, which is another way of saying कि हर एक डॉलर जो कंपनी सेल्स के थ्रू बनाती है उस पे वो सिर्फ 21 सेंट्स खर्च करती है. इनफैक्ट इतनी एक्सप्लोसिव ग्रोथ के बाद Nvidia is facing a unique problem. स्टॉक प्राइस इतना बढ़ गया है कि सीनियर इंजीनियर्स ऑफ Nvidia are sitting on a mini fortune of their own. The company is experiencing a semi-retirement problem. A lot of their long-term employees have ESOPs worth over $10 to $20 million. No surprise here कि इनमें से कई सारे are choosing an early retirement or just taking it relaxed and easy. Coming back to the point, naturally सवाल उठता है कि Nvidia जैसी कंपनी जिसके पीछे everyone is going crazy exactly करती क्या है? Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It is a market force that will completely transform our work life and reimagine our personal interactions and media consumption. Nvidia is at the very forefront of the next industrial revolution, producing the AI chips जिसके बेसिस पे tech companies अपने complex AI operations run करती हैं. Tesla's self-driving cars run on Nvidia chips. ChatGPT was trained by OpenAI using thousands of Nvidia chips. And Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Google all use Nvidia chips. In fact, Nvidia के साथ सबसे बड़ी irony ये है कि its own customers are competing with it. आज के दिन में हर major tech company के cloud computing services Nvidia chips use करती हैं. And these are just customers from one market segment. Original equipment manufacturer, original design manufacturers, firms in biotech, finance, healthcare, robotics are all waiting for Nvidia to give them AI chips. Data centers में जो Nvidia के chips use होते हैं sometimes sell for as much as $40,000 on sites like Amazon and eBay. वहीं दूसरी साइड पे competitors like AMD are selling their chips to Microsoft for as low as $10,000 to $15,000. Customers Nvidia के chips के इतने कायल हैं कि they are willing to wait for as long as 11 months. And the company loves this. Nvidia के चिप्स की लड़ाई इतनी जबरदस्त है कि कंपनी के CEO Jensen Huang had to send out a very diplomatic message recently assuring all the customers that Nvidia allocates fairly. We do the best we can to allocate fairly and to avoid allocating unnecessarily. अब Nvidia का दबदबा इतना बढ़ गया है कि Grok CEO even said that Nvidia is delaying orders if any company is found talking to other chip manufacturers. Nvidia की पावर इससे समझ सकते हैं कि Microsoft went from paying 10% of its capex on Nvidia to now spending about 40%. अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि how long can Nvidia's dominance last? Researchers का कहना है कि इस current scenario में a lot of focus is on AI training rather than AI inferencing. AI inference involves training an AI program to perform a task just like ChatGPT answers your queries or facial recognition app identifies people. Currently, a majority of the ecosystem's time and money is spent on training and not on inferencing. Experts believe कि Nvidia के chips are very useful as far as training is concerned. पर जब inference का phase ecosystem पर हावी होने लगेगा, तब शायद Nvidia के high performance chips की demand कम हो सकती है. But for now and a few years to come, Nvidia's dominance will continue. Lastly, अगर you guys also want a piece of the Nvidia action, you can now buy Nvidia for as low as ₹1 with Appreciate's fractional investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.